All right, here we go. Hey, good morning, everybody. And this is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com, bringing you another great video. Hey, today is Monday the 7th, and the stock market's getting ready to open here in about another 14 minutes or so. It's 9:16. It opens at 9:30. So we're going to hang out here and check and see what it's going to do. Friday was one wild ride. Did you get to see that? Whoo! That was something else. So anyway, let me check out something here. Let's see what's going on here. Gotta take this phone call for a minute. Well, they ain't nobody there. So, I'm gonna go back to my YouTube channel page here for a minute. So let's see what's going on here. Let's see. Just checking out my settings and stuff. Make sure we're up and doing this. Everything looks pretty good. Got one watching. So any of you guys that are watching worried about or wondering about the Kodi stuff this morning. Kodi's up and running good, so you don't have to worry about that. If you need any information or any new source files or anything, you can look in the description here for the website address. Go there and check it out and get your source codes and your add-ons and all that kind of stuff. But this morning I'm just doing a little thing for the stock market morning watch, Monday morning, January the 7th, 2019. Just gonna see what happens this morning when it opens up. I've already done a couple of videos earlier this morning because the Chinese or China's stock market, it had some up and some down stocks, but it was down from a 0.53 to 1.5 depending on which stock you were looking at. So it went down a little bit, and we're going to take a look at it here in a minute. We got 11 minutes to go for the opening bell. Now we're going to see how it goes here. But let's see, I didn't have my chat enabled here. I guess they're not going to let me. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. We're here. So I did have chat working at one time. Oh, let's see. Let's go to a different page here and open up. And then go to, click on my live now. Alright. So we got a little bit of a delay from what I'm seeing and what you're seeing. And so sometimes it might not make no sense to you. But I'm going to turn on and mute. I'm going to mute. Because they don't want, nobody wants you to see or hear any live stream over YouTube anymore. So I'm not going to do that. So right now Trump's on the big screen there, and he's talking about the government shutdown. It's in its 17th day. And who knows when it's going to open back up. I don't know. But anyway, I'm interested in the stock market here, and they're not talking anything about the stock market. We'll get a different channel going on here. Yeah, that was Bloomberg, and they're not even talking about stocks. I mean, how can you have a channel that's supposed to be all about money and the stock market and all that stuff, and you're not even talking about stocks? So I want to thank all you for watching and subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And we're just hanging out, waiting for the stock market to open. In the meantime, let me go here. I want to grab something here. You can go to this page . And these are the two add-ons right now. Let's see. That are working for your movies, TV shows, and live stream, which I'm using right now to watch what you're talking about. So this is going to have an impact on the stock market too. I guess the Justice Ginsburg is not on the bench today. So they're arguing about something. I don't know what it is, but in 5 minutes to the market opens. 5 minutes. What's your big plans for today? Don't be shy. You can just type a little something over there in the message box. Three minutes to go till the market opens. Now they're still not talking about the market. They're talking about the Syria withdrawal. That's on MSNBC. Hmm. Two minutes to go. Let's see, they still ain't talking about stocks. They're still talking about Turkey, Syria, Iraq, Iran, Israel, Jordan. I'm going to go back to Bloomberg TV. Okay, the FTSE 100 is down 34.80. Okay, the stock market is opening and it's showing last week on Friday. It's showing their that 746 uptick. You have a channel that's supposed to talk about stocks and stuff, and you're not live when the stock market opens. I don't understand that. See if we can find one here that's actually talking about the stock market, because they don't want to talk about the stock market. Okay, we're watching markets now. Stocks are opening and trading. Silver's down a little bit, copper's down. The Dow popped up. It's 29 up. Well, they're talking about the Dollar Tree. So the Dollar Tree is up 4.26%. and that's dragging the market up. News on the Dollar Tree is dragging the market up. That's crazy. Well, and Cramer still, man, he's talking up the Dollar Tree. They've given the Dollar Tree more time than they are Trump. Come on, that's gotta be funny. So Dollar Tree started out at 78 in October, and now it's up to 97. Oh, now the Dow has went into the red. Let me see if I can show my charts here. Let's see. No. No. It says no chart available right now. We'll check back in a minute. We'll just go there and stay there. Let's see. Let's see if this is working now. Let's see. 5 day, 1 month, 6 month, year to date. That's no good. There's a year. Oh. So now we can see the 5-year chart. So you can see in 2016 at the election, And Cramer's still talking about the Dollar Tree. It's crazy. It's crazy. See if they've given us a chart yet. Oh, there you go. So there the stock market's open. It says it's up 10. But this is probably a, let's see, 9:35. This is a couple of minutes behind. Now they're talking about the stock market. They had to wait for it to open and see what it's going to do before they want to stick their foot in their mouth. But it's bouncing around 10. I'll see now it says 48 down. And on the big screen it shows it up, so I don't know who's ahead of who. Huh. See that right there? Woo! I mean, that don't mean nothing till the end of the day. So if we go this back out to 5 years, I don't know why they have this chart all green. I guess that's okay. But anyway, 2 years before the last presidential election, you can see that it kind of moves sideways here. And then after the election, it stumbled a little bit and then it took off. Woo! It went from 16 up to 26,616. And now after the election and the House of Representatives changed hands to the Democrat, you can see what's happening. Yeah, just kind of went sideways and now it's tumbling down. And if it's any indication, let's just go to the max. As you can see right here, in 2007, it went sideways a little bit, and that's when right here is when I was telling everybody the stock market ain't doing good. It's going to go down. And then it went down to, it lost half, went down to 7,000. And that's why I'm thinking, in my thought, In 2015, we're at 16, and now we're at, our high was, let's see, 26.7. I think we're going to end up, well, if it gets down below 17, that's going to be bad. And I think it could go down to 12,000. That's what it looks like to me. So yeah, just as in my two earlier videos I did this morning before the market opened, we're down. Yeah, we're following China's lead. I appreciate the people that are watching. Thank you. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So last week they talking about how China was doing good and everything was great and their stock market's going up. Now they say casualties of China slowdown. I don't get it. I mean, is that stuff happen in a week? You know, 1 week China's doing great and it's going to go crazy, and 2 days later it's just crashing. That don't make no sense. Let's check it out here. Let's just do a refresh on this page. Must have went way back up because it's only down 9 now. And looking at the board there, it's down 19. So I don't know. Something's not working right. Something's must be delayed. Let's see what else is in the news here. Because like I said, the stock market's moving sideways. Do, 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 do. Investors take a break from volatility. Take a break, huh? Does that mean they all went home for a few days? See, now CNN is showing the stock down 17, and we're seeing it as right here on Google, we're seeing it as 40. Hey, good morning to the new watchers. You can always click subscribe down here in the corner. Let's go back here and refresh this page again. So it came back up a little bit. Looks like it's going to do this all day. Alright, well, I appreciate everybody watching my video and watching my live stream. So I'm going to give it a break, see what it does. And if anything exciting happens, I'll be making another video, or I'll come back on live stream and we'll see what's going on here. Anybody that wants to introduce themselves when they're on here, they can do it right over here. Now let's just see. I'm gonna turn it off here in a minute, but I just want to see if one of these other channels has anything about stocks. Nothing really. But these Democrats that got voted in, which everybody needs a turn, everybody needs a swing. But yeah. But all they're talking about nowadays is impeach, and I don't know how they're going to get anything done if they don't get to work. It took a little bounce, now it's down 67. Okay. Yeah. And if you would, you could check out my website here, worldtvondemand.com. The home page is right up here, worldtvondemand.com. And if you're looking for repos and source files, you click up here where it says Best Kodi Repos, and then you can scroll down to the bottom, and then right here where it says Best Repos for Kodi Media Player Must Have Add-ons, this is the source file for the new Exodus. And here's C-Cloud. That's the source file right there for C-Cloud. Here's another one for C-Cloud also, and I think they both work. And here's another one for Exodus, and I'm pretty sure it works too. Now these are third-party add-ons for the Kodi Media Player. Yeah. So how long have we been live here? See if I can't get somebody to join our conversation here. Just want to see how it's working out. Let's see what some of these other news channels are here. Let's see. BBC News. Let's see what they have going on. Yeah, they don't have nothing going on. Check out Bloomberg again. Bloomberg TV. They're just showing European stocks right now. European index update. Let's refresh this page and see what it looks like. Oh, I thought they said it was going to be a slow day today, and here it is, 119 down. My goodness. Just don't know. So, see, now they're talking about trade talks. See, you have the Market Watch say Dow futures point higher. They're going to go higher. And CNBC says Dow falls 100 points. Let's see who's on here now. Let's see. There you go. I think that's this old outboard. I'm going to keep an eye on this for a minute. I was going to take a break, but look at this. Ooh, 119. Came back up. So this is what I was talking about, people. See, we gained 80 last week with those big swings, 600 and 700 point swings. And now we're at down 90, which takes away all the gains we had for last week. Yeah. Oh well, let's see. Make a little phone call here. Excuse me just a second. Not much. You out running around? Oh, okay. I didn't know if you had a minute to check on this live stream I'm doing. Oh, okay. Alright, the stock market. Yeah, there's a few people watching. Yeah, but you know, one channel is saying the stocks are going up, and as they saying the stock's going up, it drops 100 points. So I was just watching TV and talking about it on the computer. But anyway, all right. Well, you guys go do your thing. I'll catch up with you later. Alright, bye-bye. So there you have it. So let's go back to the page here. I'm going to refresh it again. And let's come back a little bit. I thought this page used to be in a live time, but I guess it don't. You used to tick up and down and go across. And Bloomberg is not talking anything about the stock market. I guess they're afraid to talk about it. They're talking about ice cream melting and some of these other channels. You know, you got Nancy Pelosi on here. Take down all the border walls. We don't want no borders. And Schumer's following the lead. You know, we don't want no border walls. Just let anybody come in the United States that wants to. That's what he's saying. Yeah. Well, I'm going to get off here for a while. You know, the stock market, like I said, is probably going to go sideways today. I suspect it's going to end down a little bit. I really appreciate you guys hanging with me and watching with me and checking out the stock market. I'm going to try to do a little bit better on these live streams. I have to keep pausing and talking because it's talking back to me in my headset, and it's kind of messes me up a little bit. But I'm old. It might take me a little bit to get the hang of it, but I will. And this is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com, bringing you another great video, a live video. And I am signing off for now. You guys have a great day.